Stop buying a dashcam based on specs alone. Some promise crystal clear 4K video, but fall short when it matters most. Please watch the full video to know which product is the best, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best dashcams of 2026. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which dashcam offers the best video quality, smart features, and overall value for your money. Whether you're looking for reliable evidence after an accident, advanced parking surveillance, or premium night vision, this list has been carefully researched to help you choose the right dashcam without the guesswork. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. REDTIGER F9. The REDTIGER F9 is a dual-channel dashcam that records in stunning 4K at the front while capturing the rear view simultaneously for complete driving coverage. It features built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, advanced parking mode, and app control, allowing you to manage recordings directly from your smartphone. Review highlights. The REDTIGER F9 offers excellent image quality during both day and night driving. Its easy-to-use mobile app, reliable GPS tracking, and comprehensive parking mode make it a great entry-level premium dashcam. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, smartphone app control, reliable parking mode, excellent value for everyday drivers. Number 4. KAWA D11 Dashcam. The KAWA D11 is a feature-packed 4K dashcam equipped with front and rear cameras, GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and Sony StarVis image sensor technology. It also incorporates AI ISP color night vision to improve clarity in challenging lighting conditions. Built for dependable daily use, it combines modern hardware with intelligent imaging features. Review highlights. The KAWA D11 delivers impressive nighttime performance thanks to its AI-assisted image processing and StarVis sensor. It records sharp footage while offering dependable GPS tracking and wireless connectivity. Pros: 4K front recording, Sony StarVis sensor, AI ISP color night vision, GPS and Wi-Fi built-in, front and rear camera system. Number 3. DDPAI Z60 Pro. The DDPAI Z60 Pro is a premium multi-channel dashcam featuring Sony StarVis 2 IMX678 imaging technology, HDR recording, front, rear, and interior cameras, plus 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, ADAS, and optional 4G connectivity. Designed for drivers who want maximum coverage, it delivers outstanding recording quality and advanced smart features. Review highlights. The Z60 Pro excels in low-light recording, offering sharp HDR footage and reliable 3-channel protection. Its advanced connectivity and intelligent driver assistance features make it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers and families. Pros: 3-camera recording system, Sony StarVis 2 IMX678 sensor, HDR video quality, 5G Wi-Fi and GPS, ADAS and optional 4G support. Number 2. 70mm Dashcam 4K A810 front and rear. The 70mm A810 front and rear set combines premium 4K front recording with a dedicated rear camera for complete vehicle coverage. It supports GPS, ADAS, optional LTE connectivity through the UP04 module, and remote monitoring features. Review highlights. This dual-camera setup delivers excellent recording quality with dependable rear coverage and modern smart features. It's an ideal solution for drivers who want enhanced protection on every trip. Its advanced imaging system provides detailed recordings, while intelligent safety features enhance everyday driving. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, GPS navigation support, ADAS driver assistance, optional LTE remote monitoring, excellent dual-camera performance. Number 1. 70mm Dashcam 4K A810S. The 70mm A810S is the flagship model in this lineup, featuring Sony's IMX678 sensor with HDR recording for exceptional image quality in both daylight and low-light conditions. It includes Wi-Fi 6, GPS, voice control, ADAS, optional 4G LTE remote access, and a supercapacitor for improved durability in extreme temperatures. Review highlights. The A810S stands out with outstanding 4K recording, exceptional HDR performance, and one of the most complete feature sets available. Its fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, intelligent safety features, and reliable hardware make it a top-tier dashcam for daily driving and long road trips. Pros: Sony IMX678 HDR image sensor, crystal clear 4K recording, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, voice control and GPS, ADAS safety features, supercapacitor for improved reliability, optional 4G LTE remote access. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing video quality, night vision performance, smart features, connectivity, reliability, and overall value, the 70mm Dashcam 4K A810S is the best overall dashcam of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.